In this video, I will show you how to use NotebookLM to supercharge your study sessions. Let's get started. I begin by heading to the NotebookLM homepage and clicking the Create New button to start a fresh project. Once the workspace opens, I click on Upload Files to add my source material, selecting a research summary PDF on artificial intelligence. As soon as the document is processed, the interface provides a helpful overview of the content. I can click on one of the suggested questions, such as asking about the primary differences between narrow and general AI, to receive an instant, cited response from the text. Now, I'll type a custom question into the chat bar to explore the differences between machine learning and deep learning. The AI explains that machine learning learns from data patterns while deep learning uses neural networks inspired by the human brain, though both carry risks like bias and privacy concerns. I can even open the source guide to see exactly where this information was pulled from. To test what I've learned, I'll head over to the Studio panel and click on Quiz. It generates a set of multiple-choice questions based entirely on my document, complete with hints and explanations for each answer. Next, I'll generate some flashcards to drill key definitions. I can flip through these one by one to ensure I've mastered the core concepts. Finally, I'll create a mind map to visualize the entire topic architecture. I can expand each node to see how foundations, applications, and challenges are all connected, making it much easier to understand the big picture. This is a powerful way to organize your research and study more effectively. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.